So what are you doing now?
Trying to make bloody footprints.
Do you think this is gonna get you on Wiki Feets?
Probably not.
0 out of 10.
Yeah. I didn't think it was true. There you go. Try. Ew, it's squishing between my toes. That's so disgusting.
Why were you walking like that? No actual person walks like this.
No, I was trying. That's a normal walk.
The first two.
Then
And then all of a sudden you're like duck walking like this.
I wanted to make sure you tell them her speed. Now I'm stuck here. I need you to make my paper towels. I can't walk. You're just in character.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're making buffalo chicken dip. Didn't even say that. What's wrong?
Huh?
What did you do?
It really does just work for like every occasion.
I know. Like, name a party it's not good for.
Funeral.
No, it's good for that. You know what party it doesn't work for?
Vegan.
Yep, a vegan gathering.
You know those vegan gatherings?
You know.
At the local library. Also, if you're vegan and watching this, please don't be offended. But also, why are you watching it?
Yeah, well I mean,
We're
it's not
about
like
to
I
cook meat.
said what we're doing.
We're about to eat meat.
Do you think they ever click on a video and they're like, oh, this is a nice getting ready for a party, and then all of a sudden you see this like chicken breast get pulled out and they're like, oh no!
Oh god, it's terrible!
Move, go lay down.
Oh, there we go, a couple of baguettes.
Always get generic buffalo chicken dip, because you don't taste the difference anyway.
No, because it all mixes together.
Right. Obviously, you can look it up in recipes, but I always do 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then mix it, and then do an extra 5 to 10 just to like crisp up the top again. What are we making here?
Sausage dip.
Oh.
A lot of cream cheese today.
Yeah, all cream cheese and all everything we're doing. Such a weird sounding and looking dip, but we swear it's delicious. And it's super easy too. Literally for a single recipe, it's 1 thing of cream cheese, 1 thing of rotel tomatoes, and 1 pound of sausage, and we're just doubling it. So, and it's super easy. You just brown the sausage, kind of fluff the cream cheese and rotel tomatoes together, literally in the microwave at 30 seconds to minute intervals, and then toss the sausage dip in and you're done.